Vibe coding is lying to you. It feels productive, it feels smooth, it feels like real progress. And that is exactly why it causes the most damage later. In this video, I am not saying vibe coding is bad. I am breaking down why it fails in real projects, the myths developers believe about it, and where it actually makes sense to use it. Because most vibe-coded code does not explode. It slowly becomes impossible to change. If your system only works when you remember what you were thinking, it is already broken. Let us talk about the myths. First myth: if it feels smooth, it must be good code. Vibe coding optimizes for how coding feels. Clean editor, nice theme, music on, no interruptions. You are moving fast, lines are flowing, commits are frequent. But software does not care about your vibe. It cares about edge cases, dependencies, constraints, users doing unexpected things. Code that feels good to write often feels terrible to debug. Smooth does not mean correct. Flow does not mean robust. Second myth: I will refactor later. This is the most common lie developers tell themselves. I'll clean this up later. I will handle edge cases later. I will add tests later. Later rarely comes, because vibe coding rewards forward motion, not correctness. So you keep stacking assumptions, temporary fixes, hidden bugs, until one day the vibe ends and debugging begins. Third myth: AI makes vibe coding safe now. This one is recent. AI will catch mistakes. AI will refactor it later. AI will fix it when it breaks. No, AI does not fix vibe coding. It accelerates it. AI generates confident code, not guaranteed correct code. If your mental model is weak, AI just helps you go wrong faster. Vibe plus AI is speed without direction. Fourth myth: real engineers just follow intuition. That is romantic nonsense. Senior engineers do not rely on vibes. They rely on experience, constraints, trade-offs, patterns learned from failure. What looks like intuition is actually memory of past mistakes. Vibe coding skips the pain and skips the learning. Now, to be fair, vibe coding is not useless. It works well for prototypes, experiments, learning new tools, throwaway scripts. It's useful at the edges. Problems start when you use it for real systems, production code, long-term projects, teams, maintenance. That's where vibes collapse. The real cost is not bad code. The real cost is false confidence. You think you're moving fast. You think you're productive. You think you're in flow. Until a bug hits production, someone else touches your code, or you open it 6 months later and nothing makes sense. So what actually replaces vibe coding? Not grinding harder, not hustle culture, not 10x engineer myths. What replaces it is clarity. Clear problem definition, slower thinking at the start, explicit constraints, writing less code, not more, letting code feel boring. Boring code scales, vibes do not. Final thought: vibe coding is not evil. It's just misused. Treat it like caffeine, useful in small doses, dangerous as a lifestyle. If your code base depends on vibes, you are not moving fast. You are just postponing pain. And production always collects its debt.